Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a fridge organization video. If you enjoy this kind of content, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you can get notified every time that I upload a video. And if you're a returner, thank you so much for coming back. You're a real one and I appreciate you. My fridge literally looks disgusting, so I thought it would be a great idea to organize my fridge, sanitize it, make it look as organized as possible, and film it so I can show you guys my process. So this is the before and this is the after. As you can see, it's a major transformation. So if you would like to continue watching how I do this, then make sure to stay tuned to this video, you guys. And before we jump into the video, I just want to ask you guys for a favor. Follow your girl on Instagram. My name on there is Mariela Sanchez Official. If you need to spell it correctly, make sure to look at the upcoming screen. I hope you guys enjoy the video. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm going to empty my fridge. Every single little thing that I have inside of there is gonna come out because we're gonna get ready for a deep cleaning. And if you're curious about where I purchased these joggers and the crop top, I got it at Fashion Nova. Everything I get is basically from Fashion Nova. So now that my fridge is finally empty, I'm gonna be using my favorite multi-purpose cleaner. You guys have probably heard of it. It's called LA's Totally Awesome. You can find it at the dollar store along with the brush. And I'm just gonna be scrubbing and disinfecting everything, making sure that the fridge looks brand new. And I just want to apologize for the horrible lighting in this portion of the video. I'm still getting used to my new camera and I'm learning how to use all of my lighting, so please be patient with me, you guys. So around my area, we have a super underrated store. It's called Christmas Tree Shop, and I love going there because I find so many amazing things at an affordable price, just like these that I'm showing you today. And this is what I will be using inside of my fridge to organize everything. If you have a Christmas tree shop in your location, make sure to comment below and let me know what state you're from. And this is the final product, you guys. I am so amazed with the way that it turned out. As you can tell, I had to adjust the shelves a little bit, but everything fits perfectly and everything has a home. So when it comes to organizing the door, there's not really much that you can do, so I just made sure to sanitize everything and put everything from the tallest to the shortest. So on this top shelf, I have my eggs on this rack, which holds 21 eggs, and I like it because on the top it has a flat surface, so I can add something else on the top. So the 2 wine racks that I showed earlier, I'm using those to hold my carbonated soda. We have 4 sodas in there, and then this little Lazy Susan. I have protein shakes and some Red Bull. I know Red Bull is horrible for you, don't drink it, but this little Lazy Susan is the shit. I'm super excited because I never used this part of my fridge, and now I'm using it efficiently. Then on this section, I have all my juices, coffee, and my almond milk. And this is what I use to add my fruit. So right now I added some grapes in there. One of my favorite sections is this little corner thing right here that adds different levels. On one level I have yogurt and jello, and then on the lower level I have ham and cheese. I think that this is really cool. I recommend it. And as you guys can see, we love cheese in this house. I always gotta have a lot of milk because my son absolutely loves milk. So in this lower section of the fridge, I like to put leftovers and whatever meat I'm gonna be cooking for the day. So in these lower drawers, I like to keep my vegetables and stuff like that. So I have my tomatoes and cucumbers that I already used today in there. I'm probably going to be using them later on today. And then in this section, I have salad, avocado, cucumbers, stuff like that. There's really no way that you can organize them that well, but try to make it neat as much as you can. And as I mentioned earlier, this is the door. There's really kind of no way for you to organize it efficiently. If you guys know of any, please let me know. I did what I can. And here is my freezer. So everything is well sealed with the little clips that I bought. Everything is in Ziploc bags. So yeah, this is my fridge. If you enjoyed these kind of videos, make sure to let me know in the comments below. If you're new here and you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're a returner supporting me, I appreciate you guys.